Picture this. Sold out in seconds. Imagine the thrill, the excitement, the sheer adrenaline rush. You're part of a crowd, eagerly waiting for that moment when the countdown hits 0. The anticipation is palpable. Everyone is on the edge of their seats, and then, in the blink of an eye, it's all gone. Sold out in mere seconds. Imagine this. You're watching a live video on your phone. It's not just any video. It's a live event that's happening right now. The energy is infectious, and you can feel the excitement through the screen. The host is engaging, the product looks amazing, and you can't help but be drawn in. A guy is showing off a cool new watch. It's not just any watch, it's the latest model, the features that make it stand out. The camera zooms in, giving you a close-up view of the intricate detail. You can see the craftsmanship, the design, and you start imagining it on your wrist. He's excited, he's funny, and you actually trust him. His enthusiasm is contagious, and you find yourself smiling along. He interacts with the viewers, answers questions, and makes you feel like you're part of a community. It's not just a sales pitch, it's an experience. He says, click here to buy now, and boom, it's gone. Sold out in seconds. The rush is incredible. You see the sold out notification flash on the screen, and you realize you were part of something big. It's a moment of triumph for those who managed to snag the deal, and a lesson for those who hesitated. That's the power of live social shopping. It's happening right now across different platforms and devices. People are tuning in, engaging, and making purchases in real time. It's a revolution in the way we shop, blending entertainment with commerce. People are making serious money. Entrepreneurs are leveraging this new trend to boost their sales and reach a wider audience. The potential for profit is enormous, and success stories are emerging every day. It's not just about selling products, it's about building brands and creating loyal customer bases. They're connecting with customers in a whole new way. The interaction is personal, immediate, and impactful. Customers feel valued and heard, and this connection translates into trust and loyalty. It's a dynamic shift from traditional shopping methods, bringing a human touch to the digital world. And the best part, you can do it too. With just a smartphone and a bit of creativity, you can tap into this trend, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone looking to share your passion. Live social shopping offers a platform to reach and engage with an audience like never before. So why wait? Dive in and be part of the future of shopping. It's simple. It's like QVC or Home Shopping Network, but on your phone. You go live, show off your products, and people buy in real time. It's changing the game for businesses big and small. Fashion, electronics, even food, everything is fair game. People love the instant connection. They can ask questions, get answers, and buy with a single click. No waiting, no hassle. Who are you talking to? What do they want? Figure that out, and you're halfway there. The key to live social shopping is engagement. Talk to your viewers, not at them. Ask questions, run polls. Make it fun. The more you connect, the more you sell. Remember, people buy from people they like and trust. Ready to jump in? Start small. Pick a platform you're comfortable with. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. They all work. Choose a product you're passionate about. Enthusiasm is contagious. Promote your event. Tell your friends, family, and followers. Practice your pitch. And most importantly, relax and have fun. Section 5. Real results, real money. In this section, we're diving deep into the tangible benefits of live social shopping. It's not just a trend, it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the numbers. Businesses are seeing unprecedented growth. Sales figures are skyrocketing, and the data speaks for itself. From small startups to established enterprises, everyone is reaping the rewards. Small businesses are doubling, even tripling their sales with live social shopping. Imagine the impact on your bottom line when you can reach a global audience in real time. The convenience and immediacy of live shopping are transforming the way we do business. One entrepreneur sold over 1,000 units of her new skincare product in a single live stream. The potential is limitless. This isn't an isolated success story. It's happening across various industries. The power of live interaction and instant feedback is unparalleled. Whether you're selling handmade jewelry or high-tech gadgets, live social shopping can showcase your products in a way that static images and text descriptions simply can't. It's about creating an experience, a connection with your audience. Live shopping can take your business to the next level. Engage with your customers, answer their questions in real time, and build a loyal community. The future of retail is here, and it's live, interactive, and incredibly effective. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your business. Section 6, you are the brand, build trust, build sales. People connect with people, not logos. Be yourself. Share your story. Let your personality shine through. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to sales. Engage with your viewers. Answer their questions honestly. Be transparent about your products. The more genuine you are, the stronger your connection with your audience will be. Section 7. The world is watching. Sell anytime, anywhere. One of the best things about live social shopping, it's global. You can reach customers all over the world, 24/7. No more geographical limitations. Imagine selling your products to someone in Tokyo while you're sitting on your couch in California. Live shopping breaks down barriers and connects you with a global audience. Section 8. Solve problems. Spread joy. The right products matter. What problems are you solving? What joy are you bringing? Choose products that resonate with your audience. Think about their needs and desires. Offer value, not just stuff. Whether it's a time-saving gadget or a mood-boosting piece of clothing, make sure your products enhance people's lives. Section 9. Get your free guide to AI and live shopping. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. That's why we've created an invaluable resource just for you, ready to unlock the full potential of live social shopping. Imagine engaging with your audience in real time, creating a dynamic and interactive shopping experience that drives sales and builds brand loyalty. Download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. This comprehensive guide is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in the digital marketplace. It's packed with tips, strategies, and case studies to help you crush it. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide has something for everyone. Learn how to use AI to target the right audience, personalize your message, and boost your sales. Discover the power of data-driven marketing and how it can transform your business. It's time to take your business to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay ahead of the competition. Download your free guide today and start your journey towards digital marketing success. With this guide, you'll gain insights into the latest trends and technologies in AI and live shopping. You'll learn how to create compelling content, optimize your campaigns, and measure your success. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and skills to excel in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, what are you waiting for? Get your free guide now and start making a difference in your marketing strategy. Remember, the future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI and live shopping. Embrace the change and watch your business grow like never before. Download your free guide today and take the first step towards a brighter future. Section 10. Take action now. The future is waiting. The future of retail is here and it's live. Don't wait on the sidelines. Jump in, experiment, and have fun. The world is your oyster. You have the power to build an incredible business and achieve your dream. It all starts with a single step. Take action now and watch your success soar.